So I wanted to create a quick video to show you how sometimes in new construction properties you'll find mold in the framing. The reason being, when these members or when the lumber is delivered to the site, it sits here sometimes for days. Not often is it weeks, but quite often it's days. So these are the engineered floor joists right here. That's the wall sheathing here. And then try to step over this without falling. And so you have more lumber, and I don't know if you can tell, some of these areas are pretty wet. And as you can imagine, these that are in the center especially, they don't get to breathe as much. So the ones on the top are going to dry out from the sunlight. However, the ones that are closer in the center, they're holding moisture right now. So depending on how long they sit out here, you can start to get mold to grow. Now you can see this one is covered. This should be covered, but they have a tarp on this section. But if you look down here near the end, you can see that that's uncovered. And let's go over here. This is the framing for the roof. So these are what we call trusses. So basically these are manufactured off-site, and they're dropped into place and then nailed together. These are, and actually one of the things we find as well is, I don't know if you can tell, right here in the center is bending a little bit. A lot of times we'll find broken trusses, and they get damaged in transport as well. So with the way it's sitting on this lot, like I say, it's curving down. So as you can imagine, the ones down at the bottom are holding all the weight from the ones at the top. So over time they can split or break, and they can actually hold moisture just like the ones we showed over here. So just wanted to create this quick video to let you guys know how some of these things come about, because we do find broken trusses in new construction a lot. And people wonder, you know, well, how did that happen? Well, a lot of times it happens from situations like this. But the good thing is it's typically easy to fix, especially if you have a pretty good and responsive builder. See you guys in the next video.